James and Ross here from Ribeye Boats. Wanted to bring you a really exciting HQ update. Here in Dartmouth we have our 3 facilities, Unit 1, 2 and 3. This is Unit 2. And it's part of the experience. You know, when people come down, we always say to people, if you're looking to buy a boat, meet the people behind it. You can come down here, meet the whole team. So Ross, tell us about what this building's going to deliver for us.
No, thanks James. So this is a brand new state-of-the-art facility which is very much being built for UK composites, for our British built Ribeye leisure boats and our super yacht tenders, and hopefully what it's going to bring is more capability so we can build more boats, and most importantly continue to grow our in-house team of boat builders that we've got here in Dartmouth. And very much this is, I'd say, out of the HQ building in the Unit 3, this is our smaller, older building which we're about to demolish. So it's really about bringing online this new facility which technically matches our fantastic boats that the team are building at the moment.
Exactly.
So,
and it's a big investment for us, and we're going to continue to invest. You know, we're really passionate about keeping boat building alive in the southwest and working with really great local people.
Right guys, on this video we're going to document the journey of the demolition and then the rebuild of the Unit 2 Ribeye facility at HQ. I'm currently inside the Unit 2 which is now clear. Through the door there you can just see our HQ building, and there was a video we made a few years ago when we first took on this building. Obviously it's a bit of an old building and it's had its life and added some real value to what we've been doing here at the Ribeye HQ site. Obviously we've got Unit 3 down there where we do all of our composites, but we have got a big old building going up here. See, the site's been cleared now pretty much, and all of this is going to be a new build space built from the ground up solely for UK British manufacturing of boats. So it's all about growing employment here, creating a fantastic facility for building the best ribs in Britain. It is a very exciting time for us guys. So please keep watching this video. We're going to film this over the course of the year to document the build of what's going to be the best new build factory for building ribs in Britain, guys. Enjoy the ride. Okay, so it's the start of another week, and as you can see, the site is completely cleared, the signs are down, and if you walk around the front of the yard here, the signs are up because it is demolition time, baby. So say goodbye to this building, and we look forward to the next summer season of site developments in this exciting space. Let's keep going. Okay guys, there's the demolition bit of kit which is going to be taking down the building. Big old rig, but yeah, I'm sure that's going to make mincemeat of that building, so it shouldn't be long until we've got a lot more space.